Welcome back to Transwest Trailers YouTube. I'm Tyler Glatz. Today we're going to be looking at the Timpte Super Hopper. I'm going to do a quick little walk around, show you guys some key features on it. We do have a ton of these in stock for rentals and purchase. We also do rental purchase options. So if you guys are interested in any of those, please give us a call. We'll get you taken care of. So to get started on the back of this, you're going to have stainless steel back plates on these. They also have another backing plate to keep the rocks from hitting this plate, and that is up underneath here. My camera guy will show you guys that here in just a minute. And we have two ladders, one front, one rear. That's one for each hopper. So if you do need to get in there and get them cleaned out, there's that option there. These are all going to come with clear lights. That's kind of how we spec them out. It's a little bit cleaner, simple look. And then as we work around the side, you're also going to have clear bullet LEDs. And ABS, you're going to have another row up top. So you have two full rows of the bullet LEDs that go down the side. Those are going to be colored in amber and red, depending on where they are on the trailer. We're going to have 11 R24 5s on the wheel and tire setup here. You're going to have aluminum outers with steel inners. This is a full air suspension trailer, so you are going to have a full air ride. Up here with the AG system, you're going to have a 2-speed manual system there. You're going to have a 24-inch clearance with the AG setup, so it's going to give you a little bit more clearance on the AG than your traditional setups. So you'll be able to dump over a lot more rough terrain in areas that you really need to get into. The color scheme, this is a newer color for Timpte. The gunmetal gray came out a couple of years ago. There is black, white available as well. And then you're going to have the bumper guards up there for the tarp. That keeps the tarp from coming down and smacking the side of the trailer there as it folds over and then it tucks up. Then you're going to have your traditional landing gear. Normally we have the control bar here that controls the landing gear as well as your hoppers. We don't put that on the trailers while they're sitting out here because they tend to grow legs and walk away. So we just take those and keep them inside. Coming around the front here, another ladder, like I said, for that front hopper. You're going to have a control box for your tarp. So if you don't have your remote or an in-cab switch, you can still control it right off of the trailer there. And then you're going to have an air gauge for your rear air suspension, as well as a dump valve. You are going to need a 2-prong power control there, and that is going to be for the tarp power. So you will need to have a 2-prong on there. A lot of people like to wire that into the cab switch, but you are going to need a 2-prong to power the tarp. So this tarp arm, we started doing the black tarp arms instead of the traditional chrome or polished look. It's a little bit cleaner, sleek look, especially with the gunmetal, and it's a little bit easier to maintain, not having to keep that polish so clean. So that's going to be pretty much it for the Timpte hopper. This is a 4272, 42 length, 72 panel height. They are 96 inches wide. If you guys have any questions or you want to rent, purchase, or do a rental purchase on a hopper, give us a call. We have plenty in stock with more on the way. My name is Tyler Glatz. Give me a call at 505-215-4762 or email me at tyler.glatz@transwest.com. Thank you. See you guys next time.